how to make a compost bin at home. We are taking a crack at composting with our very own homemade compost bin. While we are looking forward to the nutrient-rich and budget-friendly soil amendment that composting provides, our main motivation was actually to reduce our taking and the trash trips. Here are the step-by-step instructions we followed. Step 1. Create your bin. Recycle or buy a plastic bin with a tight-fitting lid, about 24 inches tall or taller. It needs a lid to keep the soil moist and to keep critters out. Step 2. Drill holes in your bin. Use a drill to make 8 to 10 small holes in the bottom of the container for aeration purposes. Step 3. Create your base. Place some shredded newspapers or dry leaves at the bottom of your compost bin, filling it about 1/8 or 1/4. Alternatively, use dried leaves in bottom of homemade compost bin. Step 4. Add dirt. Place dirt on top of the leaves or newspaper until the container is half full. Step 5. Toss in your food scraps. Now place any food scraps of paper products that you would like to compost. Check out this list of a complete rundown of what you can or cannot compost. Surprisingly, things like lint and eggshells are compost friendly, while lime, too acidic, and dog waste would carry disease and are off limits. Step 6. Stir your compost. Give your compost a little stir, very little in our case, with a shovel or stick, making sure to cover your food scraps with dirt. Step 7. Moisten. Spray with lukewarm water until moist, but not soaking wet. Note: too much water can be culprit if your compost starts to smell. Step 8. Drill holes into the top. Use a drill to make 8 to 10 small holes in the lid and place it securely on top of the bin. These will help with airflow. Step 9. Find a spot for your compost bin. Place the bin in a shady area away from the house. If you live in an apartment or have no backyard, you could place your bin on the patio. Be sure that it is not in full sun or your compost will dry out. Step 10. Collect your compostables. Now that your compost bin is set up, we can just add food scraps, making sure to give things a stir each time. Mixing the compost helps break everything down faster. Now we just have to wait 2 to 3 months before the compost is ready for garden. It can be used as potting soil and can be sprinkled over grass as a lawn conditioner. Remember to save at least 1/3 of it to keep the composting process going. The cares and jars move on to you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The tutorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.